Hi, and welcome back to the Agent Renovation Podcast. My name is Ashley, and I'm an award-winning realtor in Vancouver with Angel Hasman, a gamification and goal-setting expert, a master visionary, strategic planning coach, and a seven-figure entrepreneur. I love teaching real estate agents how to win and pass the levels of the real estate game. I will teach you the strategies and considerations for setting up your game, maintaining your game, and conquering new ground. Let me guide you in crossing the finish line of your real estate goals, putting dollars in your pocket, and teaching you how to still have the personal life of your dreams. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the reason behind why you get up every day for your agent life. Ask yourself this: up until now, have you been just working, or are you working towards something? There's a huge difference, and it'll be what makes or breaks you in this game. Not actively working for something will not only leave you exhausted, but it will also leave you unfulfilled. If you are just working and not working towards your own specific goals and things that fulfill you, you'll be left forever feeling like something is off. You're likely chasing something other than your own dreams if you find yourself feeling this way. Now, I've already explained in another episode that it is a pitfall in the game of life in general, let alone your real estate game, to care about what others think. Well, another pitfall is not working for anything. Most people are just working to work. And you need to think about this. Most people are just following the crowd. And let me tell you, the crowd is lost AF. Anyone who is just following the crowd is not working for anything related to their own goals. They are simply working to please others. They're told to get that house, get that picket fence, the dog. They're told to make more money or keep up with their neighbors, the Joneses. But those goals weren't their goals, and they're not encouraged to create their own dreams and goals in life, because not only would that mean that they're stepping outside of the box, but that they may have forgotten how to chase their own goals altogether because of conditioning. They just know how to live for other people's goals. Chasing what you were told to chase will leave you feeling empty and misaligned and even drained. And it makes no sense to me, and it won't make sense to you anymore either once you switch your thinking to gamification, because gamification requires you to chase your own goals to keep leveling up. As children, we're told to chase our goals. We're asked, what do we want to do? And we're excited about dreaming and sharing our own personal goals, no matter how big they are. It's time to get back to that. You are meant to grow and dream. You are meant to build yourself up. You're meant to chase your own goals and define your own success, not what other people want from you. You're meant to achieve success that is unique to you. The only way to pass levels is to chase your own goals, not those made for you by society or anybody else. I count my lucky stars every day that I figured this out. But that's not for most people, and that's a major reason why most people aren't leveling up in life. The problem is, it might have been so long since you've even lived for your own goals that you don't even know what's possible for you anymore. You're numbed from chasing other people's goals, and you don't even know what it feels like to create and chase your own anymore. You've probably forgotten how good that actually feels. Think of this analogy. It's as if you've been accustomed to eating junk food because you've been eating it for a really long time. You almost forgot what it feels like to eat anything else. It might have even been making you sick, but you had no reference point while you were eating it because you were numb to its effects. You'd been eating it for so long. Then one day you have a really healthy meal and suddenly you feel amazing. It's an entirely new experience for you and you didn't even know that was possible. Chasing what society conditions you to chase is like feeding yourself a steady diet of junk food only. Gross, right? The agent renovation courses are built to give you back the reference point to understand what it feels like to chase your own goals. A great cure for feeling empty or unaccomplished is game theory. Once you train yourself to approach your life and career this way, you will start showing up for yourself in ways that will change your life. I really mean that. Gaining your own accomplishments is key to feeding the fuel that you need to feel like a winner in the game. And when you feel like a winner, you're going to show up like a winner and you're going to get results like a winner. You will feel accomplished. Almost nothing beats the feeling of passing levels, and earning something after working super hard for it, you can't buy that feeling. That's why I gamified my real estate career, and it's the best thing I've ever done. This has been Ashley from Agent Renovation, and if you loved this episode, take a screenshot, share it to social, and always tag me at Agent Renovation. Bye!